Hi, welcome back. Thank you to everybody who subscribed to the channel. It's much appreciated. We are going to be shooting 4 different types of calibre: .177, .20, .22 and .25. We are going to see the effect these guns have on different types of target. No living targets will be shot. I hope you enjoy. These are all legal limit air guns in the UK. Hi, this is a SMK XS20. It is a .177 barrel fitted. It is a Chinese gun. This is a miniature can of pop. The height's about the height of my hand. And we'll shoot the miniature can of pop and see what kind of damage it does. Here we have the miniature pop can. Let's rip the can. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Please consider subscribing.